What if I told you that making just a 1% improvement every day could transform your life in ways you never imagined? Welcome to the world of Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that shows how tiny changes can lead to remarkable results over time. In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains that it's not grand, life-changing goals that shape our future, but the small, seemingly insignificant actions we take daily. He calls these atomic habits, tiny routines that, when repeated consistently, create massive outcomes over time. One of the most practical techniques from the book is habit stacking. Here's how it works. You take a habit you already do every day, like brushing your teeth, and attach a new, positive habit right after it. For example, after brushing your teeth, you might do 10 squats. By linking new habits to existing ones, you make them easier to remember and more automatic. Clear emphasizes the power of compounding. Think of it like investing in your own personal growth. If you improve by just 1% each day, you're not just adding up these changes, you're multiplying them. Over the course of a year, those tiny improvements can lead to a massive transformation. Of course, building new habits isn't always easy. That's where Clear's second principle comes in. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. This four-step process helps turn new behaviors into routines. For instance, if you want to start exercising more, lay out your workout clothes the night before. It makes the action more obvious and convenient. But what about breaking bad habits? Clear advises making them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. If you're trying to use your phone less, for example, keep it in another room or set app limits. The harder you make a bad habit to perform, the less likely you are to fall into it. Remember, success isn't about being perfect every day. It's about showing up consistently, even if it's just for a few minutes. As James Clear puts it, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So, what small habit will you start today that could change your future? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on transforming your life, one tiny habit at a time.